heading to Asia. We are at Animal Kingdom now, heading out to our first ride in Lightning Lane. So we'll see how this goes. We are going to Expedition Everest. Slasher Killer 13 pointed this out. Please use the water provided here for your convenience. Do not drink from streams or wells. Look, it's the, what are these? They are lemurs. I saw lemurs and then I questioned myself. Look at the lemurs, guys! The cute lemur. He's hiding behind the tree. There he is, guys. Go see the wild. They're so cute. And that's what they are. This is my first time in Pandora. I haven't been to Pandora yet. So we're checking it out and we're trying to find out about getting the Pixie Pass, eventually in a year upgrade to the Sorcerer Pack, which I talked to one of the team cast members and they told me that that is the way to go to be able to get to the Sorcerer Pack, because who knows when they're going to sell the Sorcerer Pack again. But I'm going to show you this video. Wow. So I heard this is really pretty at night. I like to see it at night. I think she went this way. I'm following Slasher Killer 13. But this is Pandora, guys. Super cool. It's 160 minutes right now. This is absolutely beautiful, guys. So we're waiting for our ride time, and this is actually very beautiful. I'm gonna get some pictures, so see you later. So we're entering the Avatar store, and Slasher Killer 13 is heading straight for the pets that you can put on your shoulders, as you can see by the cast members. Oh my god, there's so many choices here. I really like the purple one. He's cute.
Like, follow, and subscribe. The Horror Story. The Horror Family.
We are now American Horror Story, guys.
Like and follow the Horror Family.
So I'm walking around the store. They have dresses. They have purses. They look like they're strapped to the wall. I don't think these are purses that you can buy, actually. They have all the merch over here. Plants. These are not to purchase. These are just props. I don't care. I was confused. They have a lot of spears, a lot of like cane type walking sticks. Little baby avatars. Really cool atmosphere here. They have a lot of glowing clothes, backpacks and wings, tails with headbands, avatar, busts, not for sale. This is really cool. Shirts, figurines, that's the register. Yeah, shirts and hats and like sweater type stuff. There's some cool things around here. Just checking everything out. Like dragons and jackets, backpacks. Lots of Pandora merch, guys.
Oh, I'm
And
sorry.
sorry.
What'd you think, Jason?
Cans.
Moara Market. There's like another.
So yeah, we're just checking things out. I lost everybody like I usually do. Got some plush dragons. But those are my favorite. These are the wings glowing. And here's more merch. Really cool. Hi guys, so we are leaving Animal Kingdom. We're exhausted. 3 days of going to Hollywood Studios, going to Epcot, and Animal Kingdom. More than we normally do. I haven't done it for years, going to many parks at once. But we got our annual passes. So now we are SeaWorld annual pass holders, we are Universal annual pass holders, and we are no Disney. Woo! Right slasher, right slasher. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.